न्यूज और मैं हूं आपके साथ हर्षिता।
इंडिया इंटरनेशनल टेक्सटाइल मशीनरी एग्जीबिशन सोसाइटी यानी भारत आईटीएम सोसाइटी एक और लाभकारी धामार्थ संगठन है जो सांस्कृतिक और कॉर्पोरेट सेवाएं प्रदान करता है। इस कार्यक्रम की मेजबानी के लिए एक बहुसांस्कृतिक सुविधा की घोषणा की गई है। बहुसांस्कृतिक केंद्र आईटीएम की एक समावेशी पहल है जहां विभिन्न जाति और धर्म के लोग आते हैं। वे एक साथ आएंगे और अपनी परंपराओं, विदिंती और अनुभवों को साझा करेंगे। बहुसंस्कृति विभाग केंद्र का उद्देश्य सांस्कृतिक विस्तार और विभिन्न जागरूकता को बढ़ावा देना है। गतिविधियों और पहल के लिए एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण स्थान के रूप में काम करेगा। मशहूर बॉलीवुड अभिनेत्री स्मिता जायकर और दारा सिंह खुराना इस कार्यक्रम में मुख्य रूप से शामिल हुए थे।
Singh Khurana, I am so pleased and excited to be here at this very creative space, which is created and curated by ITME Society. I think spaces, the culture and the art is the crust of our society, and having spaces like these definitely serves as a very strong foundation to maintain that culture in our country.
So it's so lovely to see a place like this which is so dedicated and committed to welfare, to diversity, to inclusion and wellness in general. So, you know, particularly as a spiritual and mental wellness, and in the literary and the cultural arts, it's really nice to have a place which is promoting this issue. And for professionals like me, I think it's wow, it's really affordable and it's not for profit. So I think it's a lovely initiative and I hope that many people make use of it. Thank you.
So I'm delighted to be in such a wonderful place here. Facilities like this provide an opportunity for people to come together and discuss on various topics, various subject matters related to corporates, related to lifestyle, related to whatever else. So I'm very much impressed by this facility here in the heart of Nariman Point, a place which is very close to a lot of offices, which makes it very convenient for people to come here after their working hours and discuss important topics which concerns their lives and their life's journey.
Great pleasure to be here at the amazing state-of-the-art, soundproof and very well done up ITME Center, which is in the heart of South Mumbai. A much needed place over here for amazing book discussions, book events, book launches, and I very much look forward to coming here again and again.
Hello guys, thank you so much for having me. I loved performing for this audience, so all the best to them, and I hope this place turns out to host a lot of more such kind of events and even better events. Thank you.
Today I have come here for this ITME program, and I really think ITME is one is proud. South Bombay, at least Sobos, are proud to have ITME over here. They have so many cultural programs. They have dances, folk dances, book launches, talks, and so many other cultural activities that they do. And I'm really proud and happy to be a part of ITME today. Thank you so much.